Friend, today we'll start Python connection using Oracle database. So how can connect Python to Oracle database using CX console library by function? So we have to create one function. Through that function we have to pass the parameter, and that call the parameter through the another function, and we have to pass the all the values, actual values, and it will reference to the parameter and retrieve the result. So the connect and then connection will be established. So how can do this and how can achieve this kind of point? So we have to use two function in Python. One is for connection, another is for retrieve and fetch the result. So let's start. So first write import cs underscore oracle. So this package is library package in Oracle. Let's create a function fcon fconnect, and have to pass parameter. Let's host name, e1 port name, and let's s1 service name, e1 username, and pw password name. So fconnect function. So let's start dsn name. So our variable have to, for dsn we have to take variable user dsn equal to cs underscore oracle dot make dsn. So have to create one dsn, and next we have to use all the details like host name and port name, and sorry, we have to use as a reference. We should not use any kind of double quoted port name, and our service name service name equal to s1. So these are the parameter we have to pass for dsn, user dsn. Let's connect user connection. So we have to give the name con only, big names should not give. So let's con only, con equal to cx underscore oracle same, cs underscore oracle cs underscore oracle dot connect. So I have to pass username e1, password is pw, and our dsn name is user dsn. So this is for connection. So while prepare the connection, we have to return the con value only. So this con will be returned, and we have to give the return the connection details, So let's create another function in Python, that is fetch connect. Is another function in Python, and it will be, what will do, it will inherit that connection, it will fetch that connection. So how can do it? f1 equal to, that connection name is fconnect and we have to pass actual parameters. Let's host name del pc, port name 151, and service name let's say XC, because there's a different service name established in Oracle. One is XC, another is ORCL. So whichever you have used and whichever we already have been used, that only you have to give. And username is the same, rk, password also same, rk, and let's this connection. Once the result is coming or not, so you have to check by using the print function, print command, print f1, and let's check whether it's coming or not. So you have to call this function using this fetchcon. So now execute in Linux. So you can use Jupyter, or you can use Visual Studio also to execute, but I am using Linux. So let's check. So 1 minute, let's save it. See, connection is coming. So our connection details is reflecting here. That means it's correct connection. So remove it. Comment it. And next we have to pass our SQL query. So before SQL query we have to execute the cursor. So open the cursor. So for open the cursor you have to give the variable name car f1.cursor. So f1.cursor. So now I have to execute any SQL query. So car dot execute our SQL query. Let's write the SQL query. Select ename, salary, department number from comma sorry comma from EMP, from deputy number from EMP from EMP. Let's car dot so SQL that fetch all. So for SQL equal to car dot fetch all. So for I in SQL 1 print I. So let's check is coming or not, data are retrieved or not. Let's check. So I have to call this fetch connect. So once we already complete this, already have completed. So here no need to write any pass any parameters. Already I have passed actual parameters to app connect, because app connect already we have already passed this. So let's try and execute whether it is coming correctly or not. So see, so data is retrieving. So things it's a simple code how can connect establish connection Oracle database using simple functions in Python. Thanks for watching my video. So next video I will go for simple other function also. Thanks.